I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pinpointing the pain, where along the iliotibial band, when it hurts, and a 0-10 intensity. Once you know that, ice the area for 10-15 minutes with a barrier to reduce inflammation. While icing, inspect your shoes and recent mileage or intensity increases, because sudden load change often triggers IT band pain. Make sure to lower activity that aggravates pain and begin gentle standing hip and glute activation drills to unload the band before moving on. Once initial swelling is controlled, address mobility and weakness. Foam roll along the IT band for 30-45 seconds per side while avoiding sharp pain. This eases soft tissue tension. Then do strength sets, 3 sets of 12 glute bridges and 3 sets of 10 clamshells, each side to restore hip control. Follow with targeted stretches for the tensor fasciae lati and lateral hip held for 30 seconds, repeating 3 times, because balance strength and mobility reduce strain on the band during movement. You finish by rebuilding movement quality and returning safely to activity. Progress to single leg balance, then eccentric step-downs 3 sets of 8 to train control under load. When reintroducing running, cut pace or incline by 25-50% and follow a gradual 10% or slower weekly increase. Monitor pain closely. If symptoms do not steadily improve within 2 weeks, or if pain worsens during these steps, consult a physical therapist for a biomechanical assessment and individualized treatment plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.